You are not lazy, you are not incapable, and your life is not falling apart because you lack talent. The real problem may be much simpler. Your first hour is training you to lose focus before the day has even begun. Think about it. You wake up, silence the alarm, reach for your phone, absorb other people's problems, and then wonder why your own priorities feel heavy. A chaotic morning does not stay in the morning. It follows you into your work, your mood, your decisions, and eventually your future. So today, let's rebuild the first part of your day with 5 simple habits. Not a perfect routine, not a 4 a.m. fantasy, a system you can actually repeat. Habit 1, wake up at a consistent time. Your body works through an internal clock. When your waking time changes constantly, your energy and sleep rhythm are forced to keep adjusting. Choose a realistic time and protect it, even on days when motivation disappears. The goal is not to become an early riser. The goal is to become predictable to yourself. Every time you get up when you said you would, you strengthen self-trust. And self-trust is where discipline begins. Habit 2, delay the digital world. Do not let notifications become the first voice you hear. Give yourself at least 30 quiet minutes before checking messages, news, or social media. Open the curtains, drink water, make your bed. Step outside or stand near natural light. Your brain does not need instant stimulation. It needs a clear signal that the day has started. When you begin with intention instead of reaction, you stop handing your attention to strangers. Habit 3, move before you overthink. You do not need an intense workout. Walk for 10 minutes. Stretch your back and shoulders. Do a few squats, push-ups, or mobility exercises. Movement can increase alertness and support mood and attention. More importantly, it breaks the feeling of heaviness. Your mind often waits for energy before taking action, but energy frequently appears after action. Move first and let motivation catch up. Habit 4, build a breakfast that supports focus. A morning filled only with sweet drinks and refined snacks can leave you hungry again quickly. Choose a meal that includes protein and fiber, eggs with whole grain toast, Greek yogurt with fruit, oats with nuts or beans and vegetables. The exact food can change with your culture and budget. The principle stays the same. Give your body steady fuel instead of chasing a temporary rush. You cannot demand high performance from a body you refuse to support. Habit 5, complete one meaningful task before the noise begins. Do not spend your sharpest time proving you are busy. Choose the task that creates real progress. Writing the proposal, studying the difficult chapter, planning the project, practicing the skill, or making the call you keep avoiding. Work on it before opening every email and answering every request. Even 20 focused minutes can change the emotional direction of your day. Progress creates confidence, while avoidance creates pressure. These 5 habits are not dramatic. That is exactly why they work. A better life is rarely created by one heroic morning. It is created by ordinary mornings, repeated until they become part of your identity. And here is my honest opinion as the narrator. Most people do not need another motivational speech. They need fewer promises and one routine they can keep. Your morning will not solve every problem, but it can decide whether you meet those problems with clarity or confusion. Tomorrow, do not try to change everything. Choose one habit, repeat it for 7 days, and prove to yourself that your day belongs to you. Comment, "I own my morning," if you are starting tomorrow, and subscribe for practical lessons on discipline, focus, and building a stronger life.